Look at this fever gig, they are charging 25,000 rupees per AI video, and you can also make this type of AI videos with just using the AI tools, which I will show you in this video. This is insane, man. They are charging up to 35k with the extra services like the YouTube thumbnail or the cover arts or the extra fast deliveries. 35,000 rupees per video. You can also do that. You can also make this type of money with just doing the freelance using of AI tool. So let's go to the video. Let's dig it out how we can make this type of videos with using AI tool and charging up to 35k and being a billionaire or millionaire, right? And starting our own agency or a business. So before that, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe the channel because I post AI videos on this YouTube channel. So let's go start the video. Let's first see the how videos look like so that we can make this type of YouTube videos. Yeah, it's cool. We can also make this type of video. For this type of video, we need a tool for a AI tool, right? What I have observed it, they are using the images, they are using the lyrics to make this type of videos. First, if we have a lyrics, we can just prompt the lyrics. According to that lyrics, we can generate the scenes, the videos. Or if we have the image, or we have to generate the image so that that image is animated in that type of videos, right? So let's go to the Pika Lab first. Pika Labs, basically I have uploaded or I have made videos on how to use a Pika Labs. You can check this video, that video in my YouTube channel. And if I talk about the Pika Lab basically gives us the possibility of making the image to the video, like image to video or text to video. So you have to join the beta version, like just go to pika.art. Then you have to join the beta version because they are all the AI tools right now in a beta version, right? So if first time when you come to Pika, right, it seems like this only. Like different peoples are generating different type of arts. They are using the prompts, the extra things, right? But you have to go there on a right side. Okay, this is right side, and just this bot is a Pika bot. Just right click on it and message, so that they respond separately. They are not responding on a crowd. Now just what we want, I have made a video. Okay, so let's go to the video first. Let me take you back to a time when love was as precious as diamonds, where if you search you would find it. I know that times have changed, but I don't wanna play no games, baby. I'll treat you different, show you commitment. She might be my baby, let me love you crazy, let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, be my baby. I ain't gonna. This is the video I have made using the Pika Labs or using the AI tool like Pika Labs. Okay, so I think it's amazing. And let's start with the video. First, we need a song, right? I have taken this song from YouTube audio library. You can just take a sound from anywhere which is not, because I am using YouTube audio library because not give us the copyright claim. So I have opened the audio library and download what type of music audio I have liked. So I have downloaded one of them. So you can also make on your song or any song, right? Or if client gives you the MP3 or clients give you the song or clients give you the lyrics, you have to make the song, or you have to make. I have also made the video how to make a song from lyrics. Yes, the Suno AI. And you can also make from there. Now first we have a sound, right? Now just go to the Pika Labs and let's decide what we are actually want as the output, right? It's not like you're doing anything, right? You have to put a best video out there, because of that you have to make a good storyteller for that video. If client requirement are like they are doing a couple dance, they are doing anything, they give you the requirement, right? They give you the requirement. According to that requirement, you have to generate the videos, you have to generate the images, right? So what I did is I generated images, right? Generated images from the Leonardo. I have tried many things, right? So I have generated this photo, a photo of man named Andrew in a park watching the girls front of him. Then I generated this photo, a photo of man Andrew standing in bus stand. Then I generated this photo. Okay, all of these tutorials are already in my YouTube channel, you can check. And this all are the videos images I have generated using the Leonardo AI. So you can also generate the images, because what I feel is from the images it gives the good result. And at the image we can see the picture what actually gonna be animate. So we can use the images or we can use the lyrics, right? I have also used the prompt. Okay, so now I use the prompt like prompt park screen crowded by people, motion 0, fps 24. And okay, so let's go to the Pika Lab first. You can see that you can use the zoom feature, the pan feature, the rotate feature, like dash camera zoom in out, pan using this up down left right, and combination of two non-configured direction. Also you can do this camera pan up right. Then you can also do the rotate thing, camera rotate clockwise, counterclockwise, or abbreviation CWs, counter CCW, and AC anti-clockwise. And you can also use the default is 24, but if you can change the FPS also, you can upvote it. So this is all basically the prompt. So if you want to generate anything in a Pika Lab, you have to use the bot. Like you have to do the slash. If you do the create, okay, create and enter, then you have the option like giving the prompt. From that prompt the video will be generated, right? And if you want to generate from the image, you can just have you can write animate, then this prompt will show animate, and you have to put the image there. So we have two options right now. We used only these two options to make that video. So let's go to first. Okay, so let's go to first create slash, let's do slash create. So okay, that I put this prompt, a park screen crowded by people, motion 0, fps 24, and asphalt ratio 16.9. Let's put it out. Let's put it out. Okay, then just put the enter, and then generating the video. Just have a patience, they will generate a video for you. And if you don't like this video, you can just do the regenerate thing. This is the symbol for regenerate. If you like the video, you can upvote this, because Pika Labs get this from feedback that okay, this video is good, so I will recommend this type of videos to my models. Then this video is generated, which I used at earlier. And now you can see, I think the video will be generated. So it's take about 1 to 2 minutes for per video. So and you can do that thing. So this video is generated when I used the prompt. Okay, so this is the video I have just get. This is a good video by far. This is the good video by far. Then I again give the slash prompt, like again I give the slash create, then prompt a green park screen camera. Then I use look at this, I used a green park scene crowded by people talking to each other, camera pan down left, fps 24, 14 ratio 9, the asphalt ratio. This is the animation, camera pan down left, down then left. This is the animation, and this is the video which I have got. This is a cool video, right? So this is generated by AI, right? So I've used this video is generated, then slash animate right there. You have, if you have an image, then animate, like you have to put the animate, just upload the image. If you have the, I have the image, like I have this type of image. Okay, let's put this image. I have putting this image and just giving the prompt, yeah, prompt. And what is the prompt? Camera camera pan, camera rotate, camera rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, so let's enter. It give okay. So we have this park scene crowded. Oh, this is also a cool. Look at this park scene is crowded. This is also generated, and just wait for a while. From the image, from that image, we have the video in some time. So like this only you can generate the video as per you want. But before that, if you want, okay, I want a crisp and good quality of AI videos, you have to think on a story on your mind, because without story there is no video, there is no generation. You have to clear your thoughts to make this story. Okay, this is the story, this is the prompt I will be using, and this is the photos I have to generate, and this is the transition I have to make. After that, you will only generate this type of a high quality video. We can generate by Pika Labs. So this is all, right? This is all. Let's see how Pika animates my images which I have uploaded. Oh, look at that! It's a cool. It's cool. It's dancing, I think. Yeah, look at this. They are rotating the anti-clockwise and animated it, right? So we can use in any perspective. So using this trick, using this tutorial, you can make your own YouTube video, any kind of YouTube videos, or any kind of AI YouTube videos, or any kind of AI music videos for clients or for yourself, and you can upload it. If you like the video, if you like the tutorial, if you like my teaching style, make sure you like this video, because your like gives me, your likes feed the algorithm to spread out to all many peoples, right? And make sure you subscribe the channel, because I post AI related videos on my YouTube channel. So tab tak ke liye, bye.